how to make money on people per hour as an ebook writer. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, people per hour is a platform where you can sell your own skills or where you can list your skill to be bought by individuals or by businesses who are looking or by business owners who are looking to outsource some type of their work in order to get more time for their business. So here, for example, let's check this writing and translation category, and here let's check the ghost writing category to see what I'm talking about, to see those freelancers who listed their work in here in order to be bought. So here, this is an outrageous number. He gets $250 for a ghostwrite a 10,000 word fiction or non-fiction book for you, and that is a very good number of money. And this is an example of all the listed skills in here. So guys, I'm going to show you how you can be just like one of these freelancers in here, listing your own skill like them. So here, go to freelancer button in your top right. Then you'll proceed to this page. Make sure to click on I want to work as a freelancer. Then click on sign up with email. And here you fill the usual information, first name, last name, email, and so on. Then you click on sign up. And for me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account. So here I'm going to enter my email and my password as well. And here login. So here you're almost ready to start selling. Please complete your application in order to join our community of the highest quality freelancers online. A solid application proves to us that you are serious about selling and gives our buyers confidence that you're a great fit for their needs. So here click on apply now. Complete your profile to join our global community of freelancers and start selling your services to our growing network of businesses. So here you drop a profile picture, just nothing too professional, just something like the picture that you would drop in your social media profile, like for your Instagram or your Facebook, just something like that in here. And here for your job title, this is an example, as you can see, award-winning web developer, or you can just enter ebook writer. So here we will need this, and that's good. And here you enter your skills, and the maximum amount of skills that you can enter is 15. So make sure to use that wisely. So here let's start with ebook writing, not e-commerce, it's ebook, and we don't have that in here. Let's go with writing, content writing, blog, creative, research, social media, web, academic, business, essay, ghostwriting, essay writing as well. Let's see if we have something about book, cover design, book writing. Not this one. I want book writing. So here let's choose book writing, and that's it. Then you proceed to enter in your description. So here you describe yourself to buyers. So guys, in order to enter a very good description for your buyers, what you need to do is go to these categories, and let's go back to the writing and translation. Let's go to the ghost writing, and here we go to to see those freelancers and to check their descriptions and to get some inspiration about how they are talking about themselves, how they organized their description. And if we find some good description, we can get inspiration from it to be based on it to write our own description. So here, let's check this one. So from the get-go, this paragraph is very long, but there is no problem. Overall, it's a medium description. It's not that long and it's not that small. So here, my name is Joe Early. I'm a native English speaker. I lived in the US, but I am now based in Kenya. I am a ghostwriter with 5-star reviews for my past ghostwriting work in nonfiction, self-help, relationships, health, marketing, business, etc., and fiction genres like thriller. I am also an experienced editor and proofreader. I have been writing since I was a teenager, and after writing several books, I decided to do ghostwriting as well. I am committed to my work and will deliver work on time. I always edit and proofread my work. You will not be disappointed. So this is a mediocre description. It's not that very good, but it's good. You can do better. So let's check for other one. For example, let's check this one's description. She gets paid very good. So she must have a good description. So this is a very good description. It's very short and it's on point. If you need a blog post or article written, a story told, or research done, please contact me for a professional service. I am passionate about writing and helping others achieve their goals. I am a published author, storyteller, and poet. I have a newsletter, speak about my writing journey and books. While back in the day, I was a lawyer and hope and dreams blogger who couldn't forget her love of words. Thank you for reading my profile. I'm looking forward to working with you. There is more on my website, LinkedIn, and social media. So this is a very good description to get inspiration from. So guys, after getting your inspiration, try to write your description and then add location, language, and your hourly rate. Then click on submit application. And that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.